Miami Beach. So what else better to do than to answer some Quora questions, right? So the first question I got is, why would an Upwork client leave a positive public and then a negative or no private feedback? So this was asked by Nimjack. So the reason why someone would do this is because everyone's trying to hurt someone's business, I think, versus just trying to, well, there's a couple different reasons. So a person would leave a positive public feedback because they're obviously trying to help not make that freelancer's career miserable, because they know that it's very impactful. Whatever review it is, whether it's good or bad, people are going to read it. It's going to have a big effect on their business. So not often do people just want to leave a bad feedback for someone because they know it's going to negatively impact them. Most of the time, if there is an issue, most people want to have it fixed. Now with the negative feedback and stuff to the private, this happens a lot because they feel like maybe they were wronged a little bit, and they know that Upwork's going to be receiving that, and maybe they want to, kind of voice some concern for that particular freelancer, but don't necessarily want them to suffer for it. So, maybe there's some issues that they weren't. I've had this before where I could tell that the freelancer, the client wasn't completely happy, but they weren't trying to make me pay for it. They were more concerned with it just didn't work out, and maybe it was me, maybe it was them, but there's no they're not trying to hurt me. They're just not that thrilled with me, and this happens. So or maybe they made us not leave any private feedback at all because, again, they don't want to have something negative. Not everybody's cool with negative reviews and things like that. I very rarely leave anything negative unless they were trying to really hurt me and continue to not want to work through something. That's a different story. So it really depends on the situation. But one thing's always for certain: you want to try to fix everything that you can, so it doesn't fester over and hurt other future work. So I hope that answers that question. Sorry, I have cool hair right now. Cool. Thanks for the question.